Guys, in today's video, my daughter is going to be doing my hair. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell.
That might be better to start with the piece of hair. It's better to start with the piece of hair.
Oh my God, you're killing me. Oh my God. Oh, you're so gonna give me a headache. Why you have to pick this style?
Cause it's my hair salon, mama.
Okay. Alright, Braids hair salon. The hair is all in my face. This is the white guy that testified against another guy saying that he did what he said they say he did.
take me in. I took about like moved me to county the next day. Very soon to try to get Johnny D the retrial he deserves. And I'd like you to take the stand.
Hey guys, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Okay, so could I give you some suggestions?
On what? The braids or?
Yes.
Okay.
So some of your braids, some are big, some are small. I actually like how you did those, connecting it.
Connecting what?
Like your braids. Cause this side you could tell like you was trying to connect, not do like the connecting thing.
Like,
oh, this one is good.
Use the braided hair first?
Yeah.
This one I didn't use the braided hair first, and I think I started using the braided hair on this one.
So this one is good. And see how you have like little lumps in it?
Yeah.
So you gotta try to steady your hand a little better to try not to get lumps in there. But overall, your parts look neat. Your braids are tight.
Because this hair is too tiny on this side.
Okay. So your braids are tight. That's a good thing. And you gotta get better with your edges, girl. You gotta.
Well, I don't know how to do it on this side. It's hard. I'm good at doing stuff on that side, but this side I can't.
All right, sit, stay, look, just stay right there.
Are you gonna make this like a thumbnail?
I am.
No, I don't want to be.
Too late. I already got one. All right. Bam. That's her braids.
I don't like them.
Turn around.
They look bad.
Turn around. Hey, spin all the way around.
What you want? I can't.
Oh, spin, do a 360 on me.
I can't.
Oh, yeah. Nah, they don't look bad.
It don't look bad. It's her first
Yeah,
time adding hair. It's her first time adding hair.
Did you see the back?
I know I can't see the back,
Look
but
at
I'll
the
see
mirror.
it.
No.
I'll see it when I go upstairs.
Well, you only got one mirror. That's all. I'm thinking it's two mirrors. Nah, it look nice, Britt.
That's what it's staying in, cause
Gonna
she
get
heard.
better.